Alright guys, we're here with another kit. This is custom chopper kit by Revell. I found it at a flea market. Very difficult kit to put together. Level 5. All the parts are chrome except for the frame, which is plastic. So just imagine having to glue all that piece by piece, waiting for it to dry, and then on so forth. I painted the frame in red. Did the fenders in yellow base and then orange. Then I wrapped them in some mesh and made kind of that little diamond pattern on the top. Turned out really good. Hit it with some future floor gloss at the end to shine it up. Then went back and touched up all the paint that got scratched while putting the pieces on. So yeah, really long build. I sealed the fenders and the gas tank, and then I went back on the frame and just touched it up after I glued pieces, because as you see in some of these pictures, it's all scratched from fitting all parts and test fitting. So here it is, guys. Hope you enjoy it.